Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y20s, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here you're looking for option called storage, right over here. Choose your SD card, and once you're in there, tap on the three dots, go to storage settings, where you'll find the option to format. Tap on it. It will give you a message that basically performing this will remove everything from the SD card, and if there's anything that you'd like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on format SD card. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one. Only takes about like 10 seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again as it is, well, right now. So click on done and you're finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.